Sometimes the opponents lead against your 3-no-trump contract, and you have a really precarious suit, and you are really worried that the opponents are going to run riot with the precarious suit. Somehow, you have to cut communications between the two defenders. In the following example, West leads the King of Hearts. Your contract is 3-no-trumps. Initially, you've got 3 spade winners, 1 heart is 4, and 2 clubs is 6. You will need to establish 3 more tricks. However, in trying to establish the 3 tricks, you're going to have to dislodge the ace of diamonds from the opponent's hand. As soon as they get in, they are going to carry on playing their hearts and be quite ruthless with you. They will probably take 4 hearts and the ace of diamonds and take you 1 off, unless you can cut communications between the 2 defenders. So the first thing you have to do in order to cut communications between the 2 defenders is refuse to take the first heart trick and to refuse the second heart trick. When they attack this suit, refuse. Let's show you all the hands now. Now you are privy to the fact that East only has 3 hearts and the ace of diamonds. And presumably, if East gets in with the ace of diamonds, we want to bring around a situation where East cannot play back any more hearts. So let's see how this pans out. The opponents lead the King of Hearts. You refuse the first trick. Then they play the Queen of Hearts, and you refuse the second trick. Now you play when they play the Jack of Hearts, throw away a club loser, because you don't need to keep the clubs, and you've got no choice but to take the 3rd round of hearts. Now, you're going to establish the diamonds. You play the Jack of Diamonds. Who grabs the lead? East. What is the good news now? The good news is East hasn't got any more hearts to feed over to his partner West. And if he did have 1 more heart, that would have meant that the hearts had broken 4 and 4. What's the bit of luck? Well, the bit of luck is that East is the person who had the ace of diamonds. If West had all those good hearts and the ace of diamonds, there is nothing you can do about it. But because East is the person with the ace of diamonds, you have managed to cut communications between the 2 defenders. You are in 3-no-trumps, and the opponents lead your most precarious suit, the King of Spades. You only have 1 controlling card in spades. You've got 3 controlling cards in hearts, 4 controlling cards in diamonds, and you've got the ace and Jack of clubs. But the opponents aren't a friendly bunch. They have led a spade. So, we're going to hold up. So they lead the first trick, and we will cut communications like so. King, low, low, low. Queen, low, low, low. And we have no choice but to take the 3rd round. Now, let's have a look at the diamonds. Once we have refused the first 2 rounds of spades, if East gets in, which he will do, with the ace of hearts, now he can't do us any harm. Whatever he plays back, you are in control. You have severed communications between East and West. This is the whole hand. Now, if the spades are 4 and 4, you don't have a problem, because they can only take 3 spades and the ace of hearts. This means that we have to prepare for 5-3 breaks rather than 4-4 breaks. And if we are preparing for 5-3 breaks, in order to cut communications when the opponents have 8 cards between them, we will have to hold up for 3 rounds. If we have more cards between the two hands, then we don't have to hold up for so long. Let's have a look at this situation. In our mind, we are trying to prepare for the 5-2 break. The 4-3 break, no problem, because they can only take 3 spades and the ace of hearts. But if there's a 5-2 break, we can cut communications after just 1 round. Watch. King of spades. They play the king of spades, low, 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 then the queen of spades, low, low. Take your ace, and if ace gets in, you will be fine. Now, how to decide how many times to hold up? If the opponents have 8 cards between them, you have to hold up for 3 rounds. If they've only got 7 cards between them, you only have to hold up for 2 rounds. So the rule of 7 enables you to do the thinking more quickly. You take the number of cards between your hand and the dummy, take it away from 7, and that tells you how many times to hold up.